If your skin has been feeling dry, tight, or just not as bouncy as it used to be, L'Oreal Paris Collagen Daily Face Moisturizer is one of those simple, affordable products that makes a real difference. It delivers intense hydration that helps smooth the look of fine lines and gives your skin that soft, cushioned feel again. The collagen in this formula is extracted and purified to keep all of its hydrating qualities, so you're getting moisture that actually sinks in instead of sitting on top of your skin. What people love most is how fast it absorbs, no greasy film, no heaviness, and it works for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Overnight, your skin feels nourished. After a week, it feels smoother. And with consistent use, those lines start to look more filled in and your skin looks plumper and more radiant. It's lightweight, it's a dermatologist tested product, so it layers perfectly under makeup or your nighttime routine. If you want a moisturizer that gives you hydration, softness, and visible results without spending a fortune, this is a great one to add to your routine. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.